So what we're looking at right here is we're looking at a big additional piece of concrete that is very special concrete. Okay, it's specialized. Like, get in there. Let me do a little zoomy. Anybody who knows concrete, that's specialized stuff. Here's unspecialized, just our regular type concrete. Zoink. And the specialized stuff. Now you see what's going on there, don't you? It's getting worse. Slow process, but they are working on it. Another thing, because I find it in this, if you see patchiness and all this weirdness and so on and so forth, sometimes extra whatever just painted down or whatever splashed around and stuff, those are cover-ups in a way. Not our human cover-ups I'm talking about. Our human cover-ups can show well patterns. They don't really, they would, if they had a can of paint and they wanted to cover up something there, it wouldn't look as well as that kind of does, that square or that square and so on and so forth. They don't get quite into finishing patterns. In some cases, yes. But anyways, we get to see one of their very happy to do vertical splits. And what you get to see, I haven't really showed it, but what you get to see in some of these is you get to, here, let me just show this one right here so you know for sure. What you get to see right here is their actual taking pieces out. And if we got in there and examined that, you would be able to see little swipes of what you might think is a tool at first. And then as you study, you'll start to see at different points where it drags past, and you'd get to see the fineness in that tool and different patterns. Sometimes you'll come to these and you'll realize, hey, that's not the original patch job that was there. I wonder why. And it's because of that thing I've been saying for a long time. We figured it out a while back there. But they do and will take the old concrete that they've broken down and they'll put it back as a filler. And why would that be? Why would that be? It's because even on our dam systems and stuff that we got going on up in this valley, we got a number of dams all up there. It's the same thing. They're doing the exact same weakening processes on them, and it's covering everything. So when they will be able to be successful and make a catastrophe, that's a big aiming. It will be catastrophe if they do anything to discredit this enough to break down and completely fall apart. There's no doubt in our minds. So out here in our country, we get to have a lot of engineers and a lot of money still to these days. I've talked about even that. I'll try to pin this video with it, and this will be a specific one right there that will be interesting to look at, I think, because that's on the old memory. My time's up. Don't forget to just share the conversation.